Hello friends, today is the 1st July 2025, the 63rd Independence Day of Burundi. Burundi got the independence in 1962 from the Belgian rulers and they are celebrating today their Independence Day. This is the football stadium of Muinga. The chief guest is here. They are speaking something in French. I don't know what they are speaking. Lots of people come here to see this. I'm also come here with my friend Salal. Hey Salal, say hi.
Hi, my friend.
So many of the pupils come here. So we will come here to see this. You can say there the government, other government department officials sit there. They can't sit there. Okay, so we come here, and this is the group for traditional Ngoma dance. Okay, and they will sing the national anthem of Burundi. Okay. Now the soldiers ready to hoist the flag, and all the people are standing to give the respect to their flag. It's mandatory to respect your nation, the flag, the national anthem, and the other national things, culture, language, heritage. This is the national anthem of Burundi. They call it Burundi Bawaku. It is in Kirundi language. Burundi Bawaku means our Burundi. The national anthem is finished. Now the people can sit down. Now the traditional Ngoma dance performance will be starting soon. You can see the peoples are coming now to see the programs. This is the national flag of Burundi. The color combination is red, green, white with the three star indicating the three tribes, Hutu, Tutsi and Twa. Green is for the Douala flag. Red is for indicating their history and history, and the white is for the peace. Okay. Focus on the program. This is the traditional dance of Burundi. They call it Ingoma. For this they use the big wooden drums covering with cow skin on the top, and they using the wooden drumsticks to playing the drum, and few people are playing the dance and playing the drum. The Burundian government has made a Ingoma sanctuary in the Gitega province. The tourists are going there to see the Ingoma dance. You can see the lots of people are coming. Last year also I was here in Burundi, but I did not able to attend the Independence Day program. This year I take time to shoot this and record this to show the world how the Burundians are celebrating their Independence Day. Now we are in Muinga city, the last major city near the Burundi-Tanzania border. Muinga is the province also. I'm happy to see this.
Next month when I'm going there, it is our Independence Day. Next month. Yeah. Then I will make video and I will put on the YouTube. You will see.
see this dance. Every member of this team, one by one, giving this individual performance in the front of the group. On the stage, in the main chief guest, there is the governor of the Muinga province, the police commissioner of Muinga, and some army officials are there. The dance is finished. You can see here the host who is telling everything the small vendors are selling some products for the people. Now these women singing some song. This is some kind of traditional song, and these women are playing the dance also. This lady is not singing well. People are laughing on this song. I don't know why. What she's saying. Still the dance is continuing. Still this dance and the singing is running. It is not interesting. You can see me and my friend Salal come here to see this Independence Day program. Now this lady's performance is finished. Someone is come here on the center stage and people are playing the clappings for those people. Now some students come here in the judo dress uniform. Now in the center you can see a person in the black suit. He is the chief of the Muinga Commune. He is saying something to address the people who come here to celebrate this day. He is representing here the Burundian electorate government on this occasion. The speech is still continuing, it is not finished yet. Now the speech is finished. Now it's time for a new performance. Some boys are showing their karate skills, karate or judo. They are preparing themselves, they are warming. You can see there is a man who is leading this group with a big beard. They are performing the karate skills, not judo. First they greet the guests and every person.
umwana yamaze no kugira muri bajya n'amahungu atari hagati na hagati yego abantu cyangwa tabuye y'amategeko atandukanye yo kwigwanira y'abikanda n'isiburo y'abikanda yerekana urugero umwe wese agejeje ko bari hagati yo abaye kandi sa n'umucyugwe babageze kugira niko kubwira ngo atatu kuratunga abana b'amakomeye kandi bose bagira umuntu umwe n'amategeko atandukanye bakoresha kwigwanira ayo mategeko yose bita application bakabona kibasha tekinike ya kane guca ku mayange kandi barafaza abasore n'abigeme kandi umugwi wa karate mu ntara y'Amajyepfo kwibere cyane harimo umugwi wo muri SOS tukaba dusanzwe duheruka no mu mahiganwa kuko bakaba barashoboye kuja muri ekipe nationale abakobwa batatu nabo barimo abakobwa mubona ibyaje bimeze atari ibikorwa byobora gutandukanya kandi bikabona imvura cyane mu mwaka w'umwaka
We change our set to give a better view. You see, is showing their good skills. Karate. They are masters.
The
performance is finished. The performance is finished. Now these are going back and these are ladies preparing for their performance, and this old man and this old lady is managing the stage, addressing everyone and making some jokes also. We are seated there in the front.
Police coming. Left side.
As you can see, the police soldiers are coming. Maybe they will give some performance. There is some person, maybe he's playing some music band. See here the big long police officers. Police officers ready to perform. Take their positions. are showing there the training skills, how they shooting the enemies.
aha rero iyo tumaze gushika kugira twigume umwasi ku ntambwe n'imwe yose turagerageza kubikora mu bunyarutsi kandi tutunze
icyo bita gupapanya ukamupapanya ikibanza cya sivile muri aka cyagabanutse
Now they are showing their hand combat skills.
intare iyo iri kurivugira ku giti
imyaka igeze sipifesi ga bakayongore bakayongore
kwirwanira ukoresheje
kuganira n'abantu
ikigwanisho ugaca ukingira n'abantu
usigaye urugendo rurimi
mukomeze
urugendo rurimi niwo mu minsi usigaje Satu kali nanti agak-agak
hajya bariko bararabira muco bita tunagido aveke yashyize hasi kawe karimo
Performance is finished.
hariho umuyekena umwe niwe yamanuye idarapo ry'abakoloni
matukio za nzira
icyo yakoze turega vuba kubera hari ikintu mu mwanya nshaka babwira abarikora muri stade murabe hariya ndabona abapolisi
Now there are some another skills. They will show the police officers how they are killing the enemies like this. You see the another group of students come here to show some another skills. Now they are marching. How they protect one VIP. You can see there is one police officer who become enemy. They are performing the act.
akingiwe imbere inyuma hamwe no mu mpande n'abajejwe umutekano
Now they're taking the dead body of their brave soldier and checking the enemy. And taking the weapon from the enemy. Now they're taking their soldier. People are laughing on their police. It is not good. I feel bad. Now the second group of students come to show their some skills.
nagira maze sabe abantu bose bari ku stade ndababwira umwambaro wambaye mwiza cyane twamuhawe na nyiricyubahiro umukuru w'igihugu cy'u Burundi General
I got, my friend told me that these are police officers who showing their some skills of judo.
dukoresheje ingufu n'ububanguzi n'ubukerebuzi n'ubumenyi twahawe jenabazoze no konseri
hajya yasabye uruhusha iwacu nta gukora ibyo udasabiye uruhusha yamweretse ati jya ku kazi dukurikire rero amaso twese turabafise kuko nimba mutagumvise ahandi bavuga ati ni ikibazo bumwe adashoboka avuga ati n'umwana
urumva rero si bwa bwana rero ujya mwambaro basize kuko ujya mwambaro akunze kwigira imvutsi
umwambaro
byaba ibikorwa cy'umwambaro kugira ngo urabona agiye kubitegura uburyo afata igikorwa cyose kirategurwa no gufungura cyane umuntu yabaga gukora ibimenyetso
urabona bari kumaraza biyambitse amakoti atatu abahungu banjye baje kubamenye inama bari bazi y'umuto
reka nayo nasaba izina none bajya bari bahagitse
umutanga imbere y'umupolisi yize kate neza kwinanusura umusego n'umutwe wawo kwatsi
panga y'umupolisa
iwe umutanga akubwira ati
sirahapure
ikizirwanisha
kabisa
ubu rero bazanye inkuru
ubu bajya barasakura rukora
ubundi hajya rero ntugire ubonere ati ho ego nemeye dawe nashyize amaboko hejuru kuko ndimo niyumvira ndayivuga za pistole zose umupolisi yize neza akigana karate umwanzi nazana inkoru aterayo akacamo umurongo akamwereka yuko atica amazi ubucafu umwanya uramara hariho umwanya bavuga nkuba yakubise umwegetse muhawe umuto n'abagira gute
abayishimiye ndaburya n'amakuru y'inkuba yawe tuwakora yahushije
cyane
amakuru y'inkuba yabatura yahushije
nayo mu kuzimu nayo uyabaza ikizimu gihe none si byo nyine
turiko turavuga rero
demonstration ikurikira iraboneka yuko harimo ingufu nyinshi cyane
kera twariga demonstration ibyo bisa n'amazina
ubuhinzi n'urugendo bakwaka igipapuro bagakwaka inkoro ati uzusubire ibyo rero bagira mu mutabazi hajya wengayene imigera 16 ayikubita atabashije kuvuga hajya kuchona timu cy'uburundi kirakiriwe jezo muda wa kazi uvuye n'umwansi nta kumusekera oya rero nk'uko ubona kimuntu yiwe nabura n'umusiki utukura niwe roza y'umumenyereza w'umwuga
Azumara akazi ilipo isura yigaho
ila sura ni kumena kumira iyo kumeti sirikari ibanga hageze ikintu mwanya wose yerekana isura yacu
kakwiye ko bigafata bazobigisha
urabona ko nyokuru
nagiye isoko gutya
nabonye ukuntu bambaye hari amahiganwa duhora tujyamo iyo mwambaye ibintu bidasa byose mwambara muri uniforme niko mbona bambaye ibintu
ya babivuze kariga mikanda yerekana umwe wese urwego abariko urabona ko ari imikanda itatu